15 hours later, we're back on a plane. Leaving Malaysia, headed to Cambodia.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Today, our itinerary, first day here, is to take the Grand Circuit, and we are somewhere down here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a Tuk Tuk. We're gonna rent one for $15 today, all day. He's gonna stick with us, and we're gonna take this route all the way up. So we're gonna go Riep, East Mibon, Tasom, Nik Prian, and then we're gonna end at Preah Khan.
Day 1 in Cambodia.
It's a little bit wet.
A little bit. Rain ain't gonna stop us.
It's 5 o'clock p.m. and we're starving. You see some spines in there. Tastes like chicken. Nope. Put your mouth to it. Hurry up.
I'll do it myself. Chicken.
To our hotel after our first successful night in Siem Reap.